In my ongoing quest to get this Kraken that Tori made scanned in to the computer in 3D so I can print it in 3D, I've encountered a very exciting and brand new, extremely steep learning curve. I haven't heard back from any of the 3D scanning companies that I've asked for quotes, so I'm looking into Photogrammetry. This is the most amazing thing, this Photogrammetry. I went straight from aligning photos, in which it amazingly, so clever, works out where each photo was taken from. I think there's 84 here, and it's worked out exactly where every single one is, and apparently found 40,000 points in every photo. The photos look like that from all different angles. It's lined them all up, and then build mesh, and then they build texture, and took the dog for a walk, and this is unbelievable. Let me see if I can make the screen smaller. Look, I've come back. I just can't believe this. And look, there's a 3D version of the octopus, the Kraken that Tori made. From 82 2D photos, this amazing software, which I'm definitely going to purchase now, has created this most amazing 3D version. I'm speechless. This is absolutely incredible. And now theoretically, if I do purchase the full version, I can then save it, because this is the trial one and I wanted to make sure it works. I just can't get over that. It's unbelievable. I think I've said that several times already. So my next step is to 3D print it. I am speechless, although I'm managing to speak a lot. Just further to my amazement, you can even look underneath it, and you can see the inside of it, the opposite of the outside. I'm talking gibberish or whatever, but this is just incredible, absolutely amazing. I've imported the 3D model into the Windows 3D Builder software that I often use, so I can slice off the bit at the bottom, get it flat, and also replace the eyes that haven't come out too well because they were glass marbles that were very reflective, and that doesn't photograph very well, with two spheres. I've then exported that model as an STL file and dropped it into the slicer of the software that came with the 3D printer. And what this does is slice the design up into lots of layers that can then be printed. Finally, I'm going to save the design as a G-code file, which the Ender printer will then be able to use to print the design. Go down to preheat PLA, which is the sort of plastic I'm using. Then it's going to heat the nozzle up to 215 degrees, it's reached 35 so far, and the hot plate, onto which it builds the model, prints it, 55 degrees, and currently that's 20. Absolutely incredible. Difficult to see against the Ender logo, but oh yeah, there we are. You can just see the little white layer of plastic that's being extruded now. What it does first is to print a raft that you snap off afterwards, just to make sure it does stick properly to the base as it builds it. So I'll come back in a while. And an hour and a half later, and here it is. Absolutely incredible. A 3D printed Kraken derived from a load of 2D photographs. Amazing. I printed this one much smaller so I could just see what would happen. But I'm so pleased with it. It's incredible. It's even got the little suckers on it. I don't know how close I can get. The detail is incredible. Got newfound appreciation for mathematics and mathematicians. Incredible. So now to scan in or take photographs and turn a lovely clamshell lampshade into a 3D object ready for use with Florence. Oh, I can't wait. Once it's scanned in, I can print little ones and have a row of 3 or 4 along there, and on all the other machines, because once it's scanned in you can change size and all sorts of other stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I apologise for using the words incredible and amazing so often, but it really is. Watch this space for further developments.